My dear students, now today I want to discuss three-dimensional geometry. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, थ्री डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री पढ़ाने के पहले मैं डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस और डायरेक्शन रेशियो में अंतर और कोसाइन और डायरेक्शन रेशियो क्या है इसकी जानकारी देना चाहता हूँ। इसीलिए आमतौर पर लोग एक्स एक्सिस को इधर रखते हैं। हम डायरेक्शन कोसाइन को समझाने के लिए एक्स एक्सिस को हॉरिजॉन्टल के पैरेलल वाला लाइन में लिए और जेड एक्सिस उसी तरह लिए, लेकिन वाई एक्सिस और जेड एक्सिस में परिवर्तन कर दिए। क्यों? इसलिए कि ये एंगल अल्फा एक्स एक्सिस के साथ ओपी के द्वारा बना हुआ दिखाई दे। So my dear students, so the line OP makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. Similarly, beta with y-axis and gamma with z-axis. So if alpha, beta, gamma be the angles which any line makes with positive direction of the coordinate axis, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines of the given line and are generally denoted by L, M, N respectively. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, it follows from above that the direction cosines of x-axis of the axis of x are respectively. x-axis का डायरेक्शन कोसाइन क्या हो जाएगा? cos 0, cos 90, cos 90. That is 1, 0, 0. Similarly, the direction cosines of the axis of y and z are respectively 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Also, the direction cosines of any line parallel to x-axis, it is very, very important, are 1, 0, 0. That is, here now I want to discuss some useful relation. Let OP be any line through the origin O, which has direction cosines cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, that is LMN. Now PN is perpendicular to the plane XOY and NM in the plane XOY perpendicular to OX. Perpendicular to OX. Since OM is the projection of OP on OX, therefore PM is perpendicular to OX. PM is perpendicular to OX. Let the coordinate of P be x, y, z and OP is equal to R, OM is equal to X, MN is equal to Y, and NP, MN, this MN is equal to Y, यहाँ parallel, MN is equal to Y, and NP is equal to Z, this NP is equal to Z, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. So my dear student, angle POM is equal to alpha. So now from right angle triangle OMP, cos of angle POM is equal to x by r. That is x is equal to r cos alpha. And if cos alpha is equal to L, then x is equal to LR. Similarly, y is equal to MR and z is equal to NR. So you must keep in your mind. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर होने के लिए एक्स एक्सिस को हम यहाँ पे लिए, नहीं तो जनरली एक्स एक्सिस इधर लिया जाता है, लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ, हाइट समझने के लिए. सो नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर thus it follows that if the coordinate of any point P be x, y, z and if L, M, N be the direction cosine of the line OP, O being origin, then x is equal to LR, y is equal to M into R and z is equal to N into R. That is, L, R, M, R, and R will be the coordinate of a point on the line OP, which is at a distance R from origin. If P, X, Y, Z is any point on the line through A, X1, Y1, Z1, where direction cosines are cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, such that AP is equal to R, then X minus X1 by R is equal to cos alpha, Y minus Y1 by R is equal to cos beta, Z minus Z1 by R is equal to cos gamma. इसलिए X is equal to X1 plus R cos alpha, Y is equal to Y1 plus R cos beta, and Z is equal to Z1 plus R cos gamma. My dear student, let OP be the line drawn through parallel to the given line so that the direction cosine of OP are L, M, N. Let X, Y, Z be the coordinates of the point P and OP is equal to R. Then X is equal to LR, Y is equal to MR, and Z is equal to NR. Squaring and adding, we get X square plus Y square plus Z square is equal to L square R square plus M square R square plus N square R square. And after taking common R square, L square plus M square, N square. And R square is equal to X square plus Y square plus Z square. Therefore, L square plus M square plus N square is equal to X square plus Y square plus Z square divided by X square plus Y square plus Z square. And so we get a very important formula, L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, where L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma. So my dear student, in this way, now we can find the direction cosine of the line. Numbers proportional to the direction cosine is known as direction ratio. Sometimes the value of the actual direction cosines are not given. Instead, the three numbers proportional to them are given. In that case, the actual direction cosine L, M, N of line, then we have L by A is equal to M by A, M by B is equal to N by C, is equal to plus minus root over L square, M square, N square divided by root over A square plus B square plus C square. And L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of L by A is equal to plus minus 1 by root over A square, B square, C square. Here we use L by A is equal to M by E, M by B is equal to N by C. Then the ratio of L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. Then sum of the square of this number is also equal. Ratio of square of the number is also equal. So now my dear student, L is equal to plus minus A by root over A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to plus minus B by root over A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to plus minus C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. Thus, if ABC be three numbers proportional to the direction cosines of a line, then the actual direction cosines are plus minus A by sigma A square. Sigma A square means A square plus B square plus C square, plus minus B by root over sigma B square, and plus minus C by root over sigma C square, where the same sign, positive or negative, is to be chosen throughout. Now, such numbers which are proportional to the actual direction cosines are called the direction ratios or direction number. In the above case, ABC are the direction ratios of a line, while its actual direction cosine are given by equation first. This is equation first. This is equation first. It is easy to see that if a line OP through the origin makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with OX, OY and OZ, then the line OP dash, this is OP dash, पीछे, by producing backward through O will makes an angle pi minus alpha, pi minus beta, pi minus gamma. This is very, very important. Thus, if cos alpha is equal to L, cos beta is equal to M, cos gamma is equal to N, are the direction cosines of OP, then cos pi minus alpha is equal to minus L, cos pi minus beta is equal to minus N, and cos pi minus gamma is equal to minus N, are the direction ratios, direction cosines of OP dash. So direction cosines of OP dash is minus L minus M minus N. कैसे ये माइनस एल माइनस एम माइनस एन हुआ, इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने यहाँ किया. इसलिए डायरेक्शन रेशियो और डायरेक्शन कोसाइन के वीडियो को बार बार देखिए. क्यों हुआ ऐसा, कैसे ओपी डायरेक्शन कोसाइन किसी लाइन का हम प्लस और माइनस में क्यों लेते हैं, उसमें हम उसके डायरेक्शन को कंसीडर करते हैं, काउंट करते हैं. इन दिस वे माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड a separate video involving direction ratio, conception of direction ratios and direction cosines. I hope you have followed me. It will be beneficial for you when you will solve the problem of 3D. Then the concept of direction ratio and cosine will give you, it will be helpful when you will solve this problem. Now I hope you have followed me, you have understood me. Thank you very much.